Hello guys, so this is Sena SMH5 which I have bought for my LS2 helmet. So today I'm going to show how it is all installed on the helmet. So let's get started. What we need is a helmet, main device. It looks like this. Booklets, SMH5 quick start guide just to tell you about the basic functions, music, how to battery check, headset pairing for intercom, multiple headset pairing, start intercom. So you can, on this device you can connect to 3 other friends. 1 2 3. How to install, they have shown the steps and all the basic functions, and this is the quick reference to what all we can do for power on, power off, volume adjustment, phone pairing, for mobile phone commands, for intercom, for music, and to reset. Inside the box we have these 2 clips to install it on your helmet, and this one with screws, and if it cannot fit in your helmet then you can opt for this one. This is with a 3M tape, you can just stick it on the side of the helmet. There is a charging cable, some 3M tapes, and this is to cover your mic. This is your extra mic in case this is not working or something happens to this mic. You have an additional included in the box. So I'm planning to install it on the left side of my helmet over here, somewhere around this side. So somewhere here. So make sure you don't open up all the way, just open a little bit. So you get this Allen key which is included inside the box. Yeah, just by loosening up a little it opens up like this, so you can get an idea if it fits your helmet or no, or you can opt it for this one. Let's see. I think it's fine. Yeah, so it's fine. That fits it away. Let's keep this all away. Okay, so this is it. Let me tie it now with the help of Allen key again. See, so this is set. Let's see if this fits. Perfect. Yeah, it comes out easily. So let's keep it here. Let's install the speakers, for which we'll have to take this out. So if you have these kind of helmets, you'll understand this thing can come out, okay, from both the side. See, from both the side. So you can install it. You see this patch. So this patch is very thin. So speaker gets 2 sizes. One is longer wire, and one is shorter. So shorter one goes towards your left if you're installing it over here. So whichever part you're installing, the shorter one goes on that side and this one will go on the other side. Let me install this here. So you see two arrows, this arrow and this arrow. This is a mic. It goes in here like this. Okay, so mic is set in here. Speaker यहाँ set हो गया. Now we'll put this back. Now on the other side, I put it from inside only. So what I did is I pulled it from this side on the inside part. So I pulled it from here and placed it over here like this. As you can see. Let me place it and show it to you. Now let's place it. So this is how it looks, guys. No wiring, nothing, no wiring outside, just this part.